Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're answering the question I hear most often. What is the difference between WeatherTech's original FloorLiner and the FloorLiner HP? And which one should I choose? Well, by the end of today's video, you'll be confident to make your decision. Let's talk about what these liners have in common. They're both laser measured, specifically for your vehicle's year, make, and model, making them the perfect fit every time. They utilize your vehicle's factory retention system to remain securely in place. They have raised edges to contain dirt, mud, snow, and everyday messes. Raised surface channels redirect liquid and debris down into the lower reservoir. Plus, both liners are easy to remove and clean. They're available in 4 colors: black, gray, tan, and cocoa. And of course, they're proudly made right here in America. The original FloorLiners have been a flagship product for decades, offering years of protection and helping to preserve the value of your vehicle. The rigid high walls, uniquely textured surface, and appealing label are what many of you already love about our FloorLiners. Now let's talk about the difference in the HP, or high performance model. It's constructed from a super premium rubber-like material. This product doesn't crack or curl in extreme temperatures. Anti-skid nibs are added to every FloorLiner HP for additional security. We even updated our HP retention devices with a new waterproof system for even more protection. If you're looking to protect your investment, you've come to the right place. Whether you choose WeatherTech's original FloorLiner or the HP FloorLiner, remember, both come with WeatherTech's limited lifetime warranty, so you're making a wise investment either way. Thanks for joining me in today's video and supporting American-made products. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow.